Hey guys, Andrew King here. Welcome to my profit page review. I'm here inside my bonus page and today I'm gonna give you a full overview. I'm also going to show you what the price and upsells are and how much all this costs, and on top of that I got some really cool juicy bonuses for you to help you get the best out of ProfitPage. Now in a nutshell, ProfitPage is a brand new WordPress plugin that will help you build squeeze pages, sales pages, product pages, and all types of pages. Basically it's a page builder that has over 15 done for you pages or product pages. So they're gonna give you 15 done for you funnels to use and promote these products, in which you are gonna earn 100% commission on these 15 done for you products. So if you are interested in picking up ProfitPage, just stick with me during this review. If you want to pick up ProfitPage anytime during watching this review, all you have to do is click the link in the description. If you are watching on YouTube, come through to my bonus page and click on one of these orange buttons. Now you have to do that before my countdown timer hits 0, because once it does, all my bonuses will disappear and so will this page. Now once you come through here and click on one of these orange buttons right here, you will be taken to the sales page, which looks like this. Now all you have to do is scroll down to this button right here. Once you click on it, you can pick up your copy of ProfitPage. Now, like I said, I have made some pretty cool juicy bonuses that will help you get the best out of ProfitPage. And my first bonus is gonna be on a hack on how to create your reviews. So we're gonna build these product pages and we're gonna make reviews for these products on YouTube, and that will help that will help us get more money. So I'm gonna show you on how to create your reviews and triple your income. Now the second bonus is going to be access to over 2,500 of my best performing emails. So I'm going to give you access to 2,000, or I'm going to give you access to over 2,500 emails. These are the best converting emails. You can use these email swipes and send them to your subscribers. Now, the third bonus is going to be a hack on how to build your list with zero additional effort. This is so crucial. You can use this plugin and you can use this plugin and leverage it and make squeeze pages. I'm going to show you on how to make these squeeze pages and how to build your list using this exact plugin, which is ProfitPage. Now, my fourth bonus is gonna be on how to build these squeeze pages, because most of you guys are newbies and don't know how to build your squeeze pages. I'm gonna grab you by the hand and show you each and every step that you need to make. I'm gonna show you step by step on how to build squeeze pages. My last bonus is gonna be access to all the vendors bonuses. Now the vendors bonuses are: you're gonna get resale license or resale rights to crush it on YouTube, YouTube Cash, YouTube Celebrity, get traffic, get Google traffic, backlink basics, and all these stuff. Now you can pause this video and check out all these bonuses yourself. I'm not gonna go through all of them. So these are the bonuses by the vendor. I have gone above that and gave you access to all these extra bonuses that will help you make the most money with ProfitPage. Now you can check out other reviews. I'm pretty sure that they don't offer the best bonuses. I have compiled these bonuses for you to help you make more money and to help you get the best out of this plugin. Now, if you are aware, all you have to do once you purchase ProfitPage, you will receive the plugin. All you have to do then is go to your WordPress hosting if you have a WordPress hosting. If you don't, you can go in Google on YouTube on how to get a free WordPress hosting, or if you want to go with the paid plan, you can go and get a paid WordPress hosting. Just Google it. Now, once you get your WordPress hosting installed, all you have to do is go to the plugin section and click on add new, and then you're going to click on upload plugin, and then you're going to click on choose file and choose the plugin that you have downloaded, which is ProfitPage. Now once you choose it, just click on install now. It will install, and once it does, this little icon will pop up right here. Now what do we have to do to build these pages or to build these done for you products? All you have to do is go to pages and click on add new. Now once you do that, you can name the page right here. So I'm gonna choose a name which is example. Then I'm gonna click on profit page right here. Then I'm gonna click on leave. Then I'm gonna rename it as well, example. Then I'm gonna click on front end editor. Now once I do that, what you can do right here is you can click on this icon right here, which represents the templates. Then I'm gonna go to the template library, and then I'm gonna click on access library. You can choose from these done for you templates. As you can see, these are products that already have been launched. So all you have to do is choose one of these products and you can promote the product as your own. So for example, I'm gonna choose Allure. I'm gonna click on this icon right here, which is the download icon. As you can see, they are downloading the template. They are telling you to wait and do not close this window. Now once we do that, I'm gonna click on my templates. Then I'm gonna see if the template has been downloaded. So as you can see, it's uploading the template. We are waiting. As you can see, this is the template. It has been uploaded successfully. So what I can do now is I can click on publish right here, and this page will be published. This is the template right here. It's already installed. So all I have to do now is click on publish, and then I'm gonna click on update all, and then I'm gonna click on back and editor to go back to the previous page. Now the last step that you have to do is click on parent right here where it says no parent. Just click on it, and then you can choose the name of the page. So for example, I named it example. Let me see if I can find the page. So for somehow I can't find it. Anyways, you can choose the page name right here, and then in the template we're gonna choose the landing page template, and then I'm gonna click on update. Then what you can do is you can click on the permalink right here. And as you can see, we have the Allure pages set up. I'm pretty sure they are gonna give you 100% commission on this page. So all you have to do is get your affiliate link and install it on this button right here, and you will get 100% commissions once you start sending traffic to this page. As you can see, it took me less than 3 minutes to create this page. So I copied their sales page right here, and I can start making money just via sending traffic to this page. So I hope you like this video review. If you have any questions about the ProfitPage plugin, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comment box down below. Now, before I go, I'm gonna talk about the price and upsells. Now, for the front end version of the ProfitPage, it's gonna be $17 and $15 during the launch. Since I'm releasing this video review a bit late, I'm pretty sure it's gonna go up to $17. It's still a pretty good deal for what you are getting right here. The price or the upsell number one is gonna be the ProfitPage Pro. It's gonna be for $47. I'm not sure what they give you in the Pro version, but I'm pretty sure it's a pretty good deal for $47. They're gonna give you more features. I don't think they have unlimited pages on the first or on the front end version, so I'm pretty sure they're gonna give you more features in the Pro version. And for $47, that's not a pretty bad deal. So if you want the Pro version, you can pay $47 or $37 if it's still on the early bird price. Now for the upsell number two, it's gonna be the done for you. So basically they're gonna give you done for you pages. In the front end version, they give you 15. In the done for you version, I think they give you more, like 30 or 60 done for you sales pages. So for $27 or for $37, if you are not watching this video on the early bird, I'm not sure you should get this. But if you want these sales pages, if you are an intermediate or you know how to promote these products, I highly recommend you get the second upsell. So the first upsell, I recommend you get the first upsell because I know for sure that the ProfitPage version is limited. The front end version is limited. So if you want to unlock all the features, you can get the first upsell. For the second upsell, the done for you, if you are okay with the 15 done for you pages from the front end, I don't recommend you get the second upsell. But if you want more done for you sales funnels, I recommend you get the second upsell. As for the third and fourth upsell, the third upsell is for the reseller rights, which is $67. I don't recommend you to get this because unless you want to sell this product as your own, so you'll get 100% commission on the whole funnel. You can get this for $47 or $67 if you are watching this video after the early bird. So if you are planning on selling this product as your own, you can go and pick up the reseller license for $67. If not, I don't recommend you to get the reseller license unless you know what you are doing. Now the fourth upsell is gonna be the IMX Club, which is, I think, their VIP club where they are gonna give you VIP training. You're gonna get that for $37 or $67 after the early bird price. Now I don't recommend you to get the fourth upsell unless if you are committed and you want to make money online full time. So if you are committed, if you want to make this as your if you want to quit your 9 to 5, if you want to work this as or if you want to switch from 9 to 5 to this or to making money online, I recommend you getting into their own club. So they're gonna give you VIP training and you can start to become one of the top affiliates. So you could be the next top affiliate, maybe, I don't know what is inside the training, however, so I'm not sure. I don't recommend the fourth upsell because I didn't see in it. So you can get the front end version, the first upsell, and if you want more done for you sales pages and sales products, get the upsell number 2. As for the upsell number 3 and 4, I don't recommend you to get these if you are a newbie. So I hope you liked this video, and if you have any questions, like I said, all you have to do is leave them in the comment box down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.